In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish multi-platform posts in Buffer using the AI assistant. By the end, you'll know exactly how to draft one message, tailor it for different networks, and either schedule it or publish it right away, all without leaving Buffer. Start by opening Buffer. When it loads, you'll land on the Publish dashboard, which is where all your posting and scheduling happens. From here, click the plus New Post button. This opens the post editor and shows the social channels connected to your account. Select the platforms you want to post to. For example, you might choose Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Picking multiple platforms now lets you build a unified message and then fine-tune it for each network in one flow, which saves you a lot of time. Type your main caption or core content into the editor. Think of this as your central message, the key idea you want to communicate everywhere. Keep the essence consistent because you'll adapt the tone and details for each platform next. Look for the Customize for each network option in the bottom right corner of the post editor and click it. This opens the per platform view so you can polish each version individually. Select one platform to start with, let's say Instagram, and then click AI Assistant. Buffer's AI will help you generate a caption that fits the style and expectations of that network. Enter a clear prompt for that platform. For example, you might type, "Write an Instagram caption about sleeping tips," or "Write a LinkedIn caption about productivity habits." Be specific about audience, tone, or length if you have preferences, so the AI can better match your voice and the platform's norms. When you're ready, click Generate. You'll get a suggested caption you can use as is or tweak to better reflect your brand. Repeat that same process for your other selected platforms. Open each one, use the AI assistant with a tailored prompt, and generate a caption that suits that channel's tone and character space. The goal is consistency in message with platform-appropriate delivery. When all versions are ready, review them using Preview. This shows exactly how your post will appear on each network, helping you catch formatting issues, line breaks, or phrasing that might feel off before it goes live. Finally, choose how you want to publish. If you have a plan or campaign timeline, click Schedule Post and set the time and date. If you want it to go out right now, click Publish Immediately. That's it. Your multi-platform post is created, customized, and ready to go.